Hi and welcome to video 2. In the last video, we looked at vocabulary related to hobbies. In this video, I'm going to make a speech using the vocabulary from the last video. Let's first of all look at the vocabulary from last lesson. In relation to hobbies, I remember when I was a very young child, I loved arts and crafts. I think most young children do. Painting pictures or making things out of paper, it can be really fun. As I got older, I liked collecting things, stamps for example. I remember I had hundreds of stamps from many different countries. When I became a teenager, I found technology. And as a result, I liked playing computer games. Most boys do. Now, I hate playing computer games, but I do like surfing the internet. However, I think that exercise is an extremely important thing to do in one's life. And as a result, exercise is an extremely important thing to do in one's life. And as a result, I have an active lifestyle. So my favorite pastime now is definitely exercise. Thanks. Okay, so that was my speech. Now, in the next video, you are going to make a speech about hobbies. Hi, and welcome to video 3. In the last video, I made a speech about hobbies. In this video, I want you to make a speech about hobbies. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to prepare. Are you ready? Go! Okay, time's up. Now I want you to speak for as long as you can about hobbies. Remember, if you make a mistake, start again. Good luck.